How to fix Tapswap wallet connect option not showing. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So first of all, you need to check your wallet compatibility. Ensure that you are using a compatible wallet. Different wallets may have varying levels of support for Tapswap. Make sure that your wallet is up to date and compatible with Tapswap. The next thing is you need to make sure to activate your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working, you need to make sure to switch to cellular data, and at the same time make sure to restart your device, because sometimes a simple restart can oftentimes resolve these kind of issues. Next step is you need to make sure to clear your Telegram cache by simply going in your data and storage, and then you're just gonna need to go for the clear cache option, which is in the storage usage on the top of your screen. Now at the end, make sure that you have a sufficient SOL balance. Verify that your wallet has a sufficient Solana to cover transaction fee. If your wallet balance is too low, it might prevent transaction from signing in. So hope this helps. This is how you can fix Tapswap wallet connect option not showing.